Welcome! If you've been searching for a quick way to view sent emails older than a month on Gmail using your Android or iPhone, this guide will take you through every step with the updated method. Let's get started. First, open the Gmail app on your mobile device. Make sure you're signed into the account where you want to search for those older sent emails. The Gmail app logo is white with a colorful M, and you'll usually find it on your home screen or in your app drawer. Once you're inside the app, look for the menu icon, which appears as 3 horizontal lines, also called the hamburger icon, at the top left corner of your screen. Tap this icon to open Gmail's navigation menu. Scroll through the menu options and tap on Sent. This will take you straight to all the emails you've ever sent from this account. If you have a lot of sent emails, it can be hard to find the older ones just by scrolling. That's where the powerful search tools come in. At the top of your sent mailbox, you'll see a search bar. Just below that search bar, look for the date filter and tap it. This filter lets you organize and quickly locate emails based on when they were sent. Next, from the list of options that appears, select older than a month. This automatically filters and displays only those sent emails that are more than 1 month old, making it incredibly easy to find older correspondence without endless scrolling. In a few moments, you'll see a list of your sent emails that fit this date criteria. Now you can easily scroll, read, or search further among just the older sent messages. And that's it. With these steps, you can always access your history of sent messages and never lose track of important emails, no matter how far back they go. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out more helpful tips, and thanks for watching.